Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Orlando, where we talk all things outdoor living. In today's episode from Tough Deck Builders Orlando, we are going to look at a question many homeowners wrestle with. Should you repair your old deck, or is it time to replace it completely? If you have an older wood deck, you might see faded boards, peeling stain, or a few soft spots and think, maybe I just need a quick fix. On the other hand, you might worry there is something more serious going on under the surface. Let us walk through a simple way to think about this decision so you are not guessing. First, focus on safety. Before you think about color, style, or new features, you want to know that the structure can handle real use. Start with the railings. If you lean on them, do they feel solid or do they move and wobble? A loose railing is more than an annoyance. It can be a sign that posts, fasteners, or connections have started to fail. Next, look at the posts and beams under the deck. If you can, take a flashlight and check where the wood meets the ground and where hardware connects the beams and joists. Do you see rot, heavy cracking, or rusted metal? Are any of the posts leaning? If the support system is in bad shape, repairs may only be a bandage on a deeper problem. Then check the deck boards and stairs. Walk slowly across the surface and notice how it feels. Do any boards bounce when you step on them? Do you see deep cracks, splinters, or areas that stay damp longer than the rest? Stairs deserve special attention because they carry a lot of daily traffic and can wear out faster than flat sections of the deck. Now let us talk about when repairs make sense. If your deck framing is generally solid and the issues are limited to a few damaged boards, loose fasteners, or minor rot in small areas, targeted repairs can be a smart move. Replacing bad boards, tightening hardware, adding proper flashing at the house, and refreshing the finish can extend the life of a well-built deck. However, if your deck has widespread rot, undersized framing, or missing structural elements, it is often safer and more cost-effective in the long run to replace it. Building codes and best practices have improved over the years. A full replacement lets you bring everything up to current standards, from footing depth and beam sizing to railing strength and stair design. A replacement also opens the door to better deck materials. Many homeowners in Orlando choose to move from older wood surfaces to composite decking from brands like Fiberon. Composite boards are designed to handle sun and moisture with less warping, less splintering, and a lot less maintenance. They still need simple cleaning, but you are not spending weekends sanding and staining just to keep the deck usable. Of course, every project is different. Your deck's age, how it was built, and how you plan to use your outdoor space all matter. Maybe you want to add a larger patio area, a pergola, or an outdoor kitchen while you are at it. In those cases, a full redesign with a new structure sometimes gives you more freedom and longer-term value than patching what you already have. If you are looking at your deck and wondering what to do next, you do not have to figure it out alone. You can reach our team at 407-219-9951 or visit toughdeckbuildersorlando.com to talk through whether repair or replacement makes more sense for your situation. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Orlando. In future episodes, we will dig into more practical topics to help you make smart choices about decks, patios, and the rest of your outdoor living projects.